Hey yo, what up? So just a little update real quick. It's like what 5:30 in the morning. I'm still grinding, messing around with this. Not really sure how to get rid of that jank right there with the glitching out, whatever. Some stuff I don't know. Like I think zooming in all the way as much as I want to do it is just not hitting the way I want it to be. I'm dealing with these little. I don't know if it's LODs on this thing or text or streaming or whatever the case. Um, I thought I saw some settings to change it, so whatever. But here's pretty much the animation that I came up with, and I had to adjust the exposure. Which for me, I like this exposure right here. I just don't like how dark the shadows are. I just don't feel like looking up a tutorial to remember how you supposed to do the minimum and maximum darkness it allow. Or maybe I change some setting in a I don't know. So like if I go to the default camera, you can see this is what the exposure is normally. And it just to me it looks too blown out. I don't like it. Maybe somebody else would be like, it's realistic like that. I don't like it. The shadows, they don't. I don't know. The shadows still kind of look a little dark. Let's see. No, I guess they way darker here. So definitely got something to do with the exposure. But outside of the little glitching reflections and stuff like that, I'm kind of happy with the look overall of it, like how the sky comes in and it looks realistic enough. I just gotta lighten up these shadows. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. I also can, fly out of the atmosphere, I guess you could say. This depends on how I want to do the shot. I like flying in. So, like here you can see, the shadows tweaking out. And I don't know, it might have been some settings that I changed and was messing around with some stuff. So, I might have to look up a tutorial on that part. I can see my frame rate dropping a little bit too. I'm trying to bring all this stuff in. But for what it's worth, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. This looks legit. Now the super shiny. I'm cool with where the sun is at, how the light hitting, all of that stuff I could change. But outside of the darkness on the shadows, I like how this feels. It looks somewhat realistic, just too dark. So that's my little update on this. Let me jump back over to camera one, and there we go. So I kind of like to take off. It just depends on how I want to do the animation. But there you go. Pretty good if I do say so myself. It look alright. So I'm gonna cut the video right there. I hope I was talking loud enough into the mic. It's like 5:30. I'm tired, but I'm still going. So there we go.